Hi, and welcome to the first video for the Social Sender. The Social Sender is a brand new tool to allow you to notify your list or send a broadcast through Facebook, Twitter, Skype, and social network profiles. These profiles are viewed much more often than email these days, so it's much more often that you're going to have response and viewing and conversion when you're using your social network profiles in today's email or today's direct communication markets. What we want to do is we want to be able to get the social network profiles for our subscribers. But if we ask for them on our website, many times they won't fill them out. And if we ask for them to connect with the API Connect, a lot of times they just won't connect, especially for a subscriber list. So what we've created is we've created a site that complements the tool. And we'll go to this site now. And this is going to be a lot more dolled up. Right now it's just basic. Again, this is the beta. And what this allows you to do is put a first name, last name, and email address of your subscribers manually, or you can import a CSV file. We've limited it to 10 records so that way you don't end up timing out the filters on the social networks. They only allow so many queries. What this will do is we'll go ahead and take a subscriber and we'll use Wayne. Wayne agreed to be Ted. As you can see, Wayne's got two profiles. He's got a LinkedIn profile and he's got a Facebook profile. What we're going to want to do here is we're going to want to export Wayne's data, hitting export, and then it will download a data file for you. We're going to go over here and open a messaging bot. Because a bot's a bad word for it. It's not a bot, it's a software. It doesn't automate anything. It just allows you to send messages using your social network profiles. And you can go ahead and load a list here. We're going to load a list. And we're going to go to the downloads. We're going to load our list. See, it just loads his profile. And it happens to be the Facebook as it took is because LinkedIn does not allow you to search via email. And we want to be able to search via email because if we search via name, then it could be several results. But if you search via email and name, then we're going to get a definitive result. The tool will take the definitive result, which is the Facebook. Here's his Facebook social ID, email, name, and first name and last name. If you have more on your list, then it will obviously populate the list to be more. Now we're going to have to go ahead and enter a profile in order to mail our messages, to connect our profiles through social networks in order to send the email. So we're going to add a Facebook profile. So we're going to call our profile name. We're going to call this one Powell. Alright, now that we're in our developer side of our Facebook account, we want to register for it to be a developer. I'm already registered to be a developer, but it's very simple. You just register to be a developer, and there's a register button. Once you've done that, you can go over here to developers.facebook.com/apps, APPS, and you'll have your apps listed. You can create a new app by clicking the Create New App button. It's very simple. Just click Create New App, name your app. We can name this one Social Sender. And then give it a namespace, and it has to be one word or no spaces. So put Social Sender. You have a security checkpoint. Don't you love CAPTCHAs? Okay. So now we have the Social Sender app, and then we're going to get an app key here. We're going to get an app secret, and we're going to enter those into our profile. App ID is the app key, app secret, and then we need a user access token. Okay, the way we get user access token is very simple. We're going to go into Open Graph, and we're going to click the Use Graph API Explorer right down here in the bottom on the left. Once we click that, you can see here it takes us to the Graph API Explorer. And you have your application beside here, your token access. If you already have an access token, then you can put it there, but you don't want one, or you don't have one yet, so you're going to get access token. Now it's going to ask you what permissions you want. Well, this tool is made to send email or send messages using the social networks. So we want to make sure that we gather the person's email, and we want to be able to send a message. And on the extended permissions, we want to go ahead and give the availability to send an SMS. That is a feature that is coming soon to the app, so you might as well go ahead and get that available on your API key or your user access token. So you want to be able to publish actions, because we're going to be publishing to the wall, email the person, and SMS, or utilize our email, publish to our wall, and SMS. Get the token. It's going to ask you to log in with Facebook. We're going to log in with Facebook. Now it's going to go ahead and ask me if I want to send SMS, and then I'm going to allow it. Here's my access token. Copy that. We're going to put that over here in the user access token. And then, because I never put those in, put the app key, and then the app secret. Alright, that's how you add a Facebook profile. So now we're going to go ahead and load a profile. I'm going to load the Facebook messaging profile I've already created. And you can create multiple profiles. Lastly, you can configure a Windows proxy server and enable a proxy server to send with a proxy server. I'm sure you know how that works. Your format's right here beside here, and hit enable once you've put in a good proxy server address. And then we can hit notify list. It brings up a simple message, and you can add a subject and a message and hit send, and that'll go ahead and send the message via the Facebook and Skype messaging platforms straight from this tool right here, and it will send broadcasts to all your contacts at once, utilizing those profiles. So that is the new Social Sender Beta 1. New features will be coming out every week or so. We have several new features coming out tomorrow. At first we'll have a lot of features being added, but the tool is great for contacting your subscribers in an alternative format than email. And if you need any help, we'll be available for support. Thank you very much.